Hi, I'm Amy Collins, Colleague Services Manager for Wellbeing. BeFit is a health and wellbeing programme for the workforce. We encourage colleagues to make small and simple lifestyle choices, focusing on bite-sized workshops, webinars, wellbeing events, and motivational emails. We run this over a year programme, focusing on physical activity and getting the body moving, nutrition and hydration, sleep, and positive mindsets. We have recently delivered mindfulness workshops. We've also offered nutritional webinars around intermittent fasting, gut health, and healthy afternoon snacks. We've also delivered health assessments so colleagues can have a mid-year review to really take control of their health and wellbeing. We're really excited to introduce a industry-first reset and recovery room directly on the shop floor for our colleagues. It is a wellbeing space for colleagues to use for 10 to 15 minutes at a time to refocus, recharge, and leave the room feeling energised. It's never too late to start, no matter what your age, ability, or injury. In most cases, getting the body moving and eating well will improve your well-being. As we age, we will obtain a physical decline. Our choices and our habits will really affect how fast that happens.